Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Are you looking for the best rechargeable electric shaver to make your morning routine faster and much more comfortable? Today we have an amazing grooming tool that will completely change the way you take care of your facial hair. Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver. This fantastic device redefines men's grooming by offering a perfect blend of precision, speed, and versatility. Whether you are getting ready for a busy day at the office or dressing up for a special night out, this shaver gives you a flawless look with minimal effort. It makes your daily routine feel less like a chore and much more like a premium experience. One of the most impressive parts of the Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver is its upgraded 3D floating shaving head. This amazing feature seamlessly adapts to the unique contours of your face and neck. Because it glides smoothly over your skin, it reduces irritation and ensures you capture every single hair easily. This floating head is powered by an 8,000 revolutions per minute high-speed motor. Having such a powerful motor means it effortlessly cuts through thick and stubborn hair, giving you a wonderfully close and comfortable shave every single time. The Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver also uses extremely sharp and durable double-layer precision blades. These high-quality blades work in perfect harmony with the fast motor to deliver a smooth and safe experience without any painful pulling or tugging. Taking care of your shaver is also incredibly simple because it features a creative magnetic removable shaving head. This brilliant design allows you to easily take the head off for deep cleaning. This helps you maintain perfect hygiene and ensures your shaver performs beautifully for a very long time. For those who love to keep their facial hair perfectly styled, the Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver includes a wonderful built-in pop-up precision trimmer. This handy tool pops out instantly and makes it completely effortless to sculpt your sideburns, clean up your neckline, and carefully reach tricky areas. You can easily achieve professional salon-level results right in your bathroom in just a matter of seconds. Another amazing benefit of the Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver is its brilliant IPX6 waterproof rating, making it completely safe for both wet and dry use. If you are in a huge hurry, you can enjoy a super quick dry shave before you leave the house. If you prefer a more luxurious routine, you can comfortably use your favorite shaving foam or gel. It perfectly adapts to your personal grooming preferences in any environment. Staying fully informed about your device is incredibly easy thanks to the bright and intuitive LED display. This helpful screen provides real-time battery information, so you always know exactly how much power you have left. When you are traveling, you will absolutely love the smart 3-second travel lock feature. By simply holding the power button for 3 seconds, you completely prevent any accidental activation inside your bags or luggage, keeping your battery safe and ready to go. Speaking of power, the Sweaker RS9006 Rechargeable Electric Shaver is equipped with a massive 2000 mAh battery. Combined with the highly convenient Type-C fast charging technology, it provides an impressive 150 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. This amazing combination of long-lasting power and fast recharging allows you to confidently maintain your grooming routine anytime and anywhere. Are you ready to experience the smoothest and most comfortable shave of your life? Check the price link in the description to get this fantastic grooming tool for yourself today. If you loved watching our video, please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next one.